Introducing the Powernail 50P Flex Power Roller, pneumatic, mallet-actuated 18-gauge L-Cleat flooring nailer. Powernail's most versatile flooring nailer when it comes to installing domestic, exotic, and engineered flooring. Compatible with 18-gauge L-Cleat nails in lengths of 1 3/4 inch, 1 1/2 inch, 1 1/4 inch, and 1 inch. The 50P Flex Power Roller features an adjustable base equipped with 6 urethane-covered precision bearings, allowing the nailer to glide effortlessly across flooring boards. This nailer can adjust anywhere from 3/8 inch to 3/4 inch tongue and groove flooring. 50P series nailers are backed by Powernail's 10-year limited, 1-year full warranty, and manufactured here in the USA.